So let's talk about Lord's method of training. One of them is solitude. This is where Lord sets you aside, makes you to be alone in a place where you are alone. And I'll take an example of David when he was always alone in the wilderness. Or rather, when he was tending his father's sheep, he was always alone. And that is how God trains someone. When we take it that way, also God trains someone also on obscurity. Obscurity. This is also the state of being unknown, when people do not know you very well. I mean, God hides your identity, hides your destiny from people, because when people know more about you, they tend to make the friendship that is not that solid, to make you when you are unknown, it is easier for you to grow, it is easier for you to fight, it is easier for you to conquer. And another method that God trains his servants, or rather his people, is through monotony. This is where God allows you to pass through something that is or rather to make you do something that is not in variety, or rather maybe every day you wake up, you go to this and this, you come back. Every day you do this and this. It is like a routine. This is where God allows you to have a routine. And when you have a routine, it is easier for you to be trained in that way. Also, God trains us through reality. This is a method whereby God allows you to face real things. I mean, real giants. When you read in the book of First Samuel, chapter 17, 33 to 37, you will see David is being faced with the reality of danger. He conquered. Back in the days, he was able to tear the mouth of a lion. He was able to, of a bear, or rather, he was able to do many things. But now he is being faced with something that is real, not animals, but rather something that is very dangerous. So by him being here, it is like God is already training him, had already trained him to face this thing, because when you are able to conquer small things, it is easier for you to also conquer bigger things. Let it be a challenge to us that we are going to be to face real things, real battles, and fight with faith.